From the time we were kids, we were told to color inside the lines, to raise our hands, to never get the answer wrong. Because in school, a mistake meant one thing: failure. They taught us that being wrong was something to be ashamed of, that failing meant you weren't good enough, that the safest way forward was to not even try. But that's not how America works. That's not how anything works. In real life, mistakes are not marks of failure. They are proof of courage. They show up when you take a shot. You step up. You live boldly. Listen to me. Every successful person you've ever admired screwed it up more times than you could count. But they learned. They adjusted. And then they rose. But our schools don't teach that kind of stuff. They're taught obedience, not ownership. Silence, not strength. They didn't raise risk takers. They raised permission seekers. America wasn't built by perfect men. It was built by men and women who are willing to stumble, willing to fall and get back up swinging. We're not here to play it safe. We're here to rebuild lives. And we do that by tearing down the lie they told us to fear failure. Because your next breakthrough, it's waiting right behind your next mistake. If you're tired of being told to stay in your lane, if you're sick of watching the same old advice go nowhere, then join us. The Greater American Starter Pack is your first weapon. 3 powerful tools, 1 mission: to make you great again. One bold move at a time.